Got another lesson for you from Future's new album, Pluto X Baby Pluto. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play plastic. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a B flat minor 7 chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 6th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the A string, and you're going to place your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the high E string. Next is a G minor 7 chord. So you're going to bar the 8th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 10th fret of the D string and your middle finger on the 9th fret of the B string. Then we're going to go to a G7 sus2 chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 8th fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to place your ring finger on the 10th fret of the D string. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for plastic. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Thanks.